fire was in my head. Cut and peeled a hazel one and hooked a berry to a thread. And when white moths were on the wing, moth-like stars were flickering out, I dropped the berry in the stream and caught a little silver trout. Yet I had laid it on the floor and went to blow the fire aflame. Something rustled at my door, and someone called me by my name. It had become a glimmering girl with apple blossom in her hair, who called me by my name and ran and vanished in the brightening air. And when I am old with wandering through hollow lands and hilly lands, I will find out where she has gone, to kiss her lips and take her hand, and walk along among apple grass and pluck till time and times are gone the silver apples of the moon, the golden apples of the sun.
Thank you, Daniel.